Hey everybody! Today's video is going to help you with lesson 8-9, which is going to be on pages 212 and 213. Now there's actually an activity that they want you to do first, and you can do this with a partner. If you have somebody in your home you could play with, or you could do it on your own, like I am right now. So all you need for this activity is 1 or 2 dice, and then a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can write the titles equal groups and array. Now the first thing you're going to do is just roll your dice. If you have 2, roll them at the same time. And if you have only 1, roll it 2 times, and just remember your 2 numbers. So I rolled a 1 and a 3. So I'm going to think of that as 1 equal group of 3. Now what would that look like? If I were to draw that, I could just draw 1 group of 3. Now that would look a little bit different as an array. So for an array, I would think of it as 1 row of 3. So if I only have 1 row with 3 in it, it's going to look like that. All right, that one was pretty easy. Let's try another one. And since I'm playing by myself, I'll be doing all of the rolling. But if you have a partner, this would be their turn. So, I got 4 and 4. So for equal groups, I'm going to draw 4 equal groups of 4. So that might look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, I've got 4 groups of 4. Now, what will that look like for an array? It's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to think of it as 4 rows. And they're going to have 4 in each row. And once I've found all my pieces, I'm going to use a number model to get the total. So I've got 4 rows of 4. Now remember, with a number model for an array, you're adding up each row. So I have 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. So my number model would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now I can use some doubles facts here. I know 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8. And another doubles fact, 8 plus 8 equals 16. So whether I show this as equal groups or an array, I should have 16 total. Let's try one more. All right. So since I'm playing by myself, I'll roll one more time. Let's get some different numbers. 4 groups of 5. So for my equal groups, I know I'm going to have 4 groups again. I'm just going to draw those groups first. And then I have 5 in each group. There's 5. Okay. Now let's see what that would look like as an array. If I've got 4 groups, that means I've got 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And luckily there's a setting for 5 at once. So 1 group of 5, 2, 3, and 4. Now I need to find my total. So I'm going to use a number model. And remember, for an array, with a number model, we're going to add up the amount in each row. So I have 5, 5, 5, and 5. Just like up here, I have 5, 5, 5, and 5. So let's see what that might look like in a number model. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And here's some doubles facts again. So I know 5 and 5 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 means I have 20 total. All right. After you've played this game where each person's taken a few turns, there's going to be some questions on page 212. And they're going to ask you to either draw your equal groups or your array that you made when you rolled the dice. After that, you've got your math boxes on page 213. That's it for today. Have fun.